Ready to transform your designs into a vibrant street art masterpiece? First, open your Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Decide on your desired dimensions and resolution. I recommend starting with a medium size, like 1920 by 1080 pixels, and a resolution of 300 dpi for a high-quality result. Select your background color often black, gray, or a dark color used for graffiti and then hit create. Next, we'll grab our brush. Find your brush tool in the toolbar, or by pressing the head up to the brush panel up top to customize it. Experiment with different brush tips. Look for brushes that have a textured or spray paint-like appearance. Something gritty. Adjust the size of the brush to your liking using the bracket keys or the size slider. Choose a bright color for your first layer of graffiti. Create a new layer by clicking the plus icon in the Layers panel, ensuring that you paint your graffiti on separate layers. We may make adjustments later. Start sketching your word or design. Don't worry if it's perfect. The authentic look of graffiti is in the imperfectness. Now, add details. Create new layers for each new element like outlines, drips, or highlights. Use the brush tool to add those special elements that really bring your piece to life. Experiment with a slightly darker color for the outlines, which adds great effect. Play around with your brush size and opacity. You are free to be creative here. Time for some effects. Double-click on a layer to access the Layer Style panel. Experiment with different blending modes found in the Layer panel as well, and look for ones that give your layers a more warm look. The blending options are great. Play with outer glow and dropped shadow. These can help add depth. Adjust the settings for each effect until you're happy with the results. Remember to play with different layers. And there you have it. Amazing graffiti art created in Photoshop. Feel free to play around and share your artwork. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.